If you've forgotten your Amazon Prime Video password or need to reset it for any reason, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Go to the Amazon Prime Video sign-in page. Open your web browser and navigate to the Amazon Prime Video sign-in page. You can do this by typing Amazon Prime Video into your search engine or directly entering the URL. Step 2. Click on Forgot Your Password. On the sign-in page, look for the Forgot Your Password link. Click on this link to initiate the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your email or mobile number. You will be prompted to enter the email address or mobile number associated with your Amazon Prime Video account. Fill in the required information and click on the Continue button. Step 4. Check your email or SMS. Amazon will send you a password reset link via email or code via SMS depending on the method you chose. Check your email inbox or SMS messages for the link or code. Step 5. Follow the instructions to reset your password. Click on the link in your email or enter the code you received via SMS. You will be directed to a page where you can create a new password. Enter your new password and confirm it, then save the changes. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to log into your Amazon Prime Video account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Amazon customer support for further assistance.